Brilliant. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mustafa Driving School. My name is Mustafa, and we got Donna here. Good. Yes. How are you?
Good.
Right. Okay. So her test is coming up sometime in December, something like that. So it's secret. We don't want to relieve her test, and she's a really good driver. And then we just put a sat nav to get her familiar with the test area and then drive. So ready?
Yep, ready.
Good. Driving ready. So what do you need to do first before we go?
Need to put the car into drive,
Brilliant. Good.
do my checks.
Nice. Good observation. Well done. Well done.
Off we go.
Well done. Good observation. Well done. Nice. See?
Yep,
Okay.
we're good.
Exit.
Good mirror, good signaling, well done. Okay. So what's the speed limit here?
20.
Good. How do you know?
After 100 yards,
Okay.
go left on the roundabout, first exit. Go left on the roundabout, first exit. After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout, first exit. Go left on the roundabout, first exit. Ahead, keep right. After 300 yards, keep right, then turn right.
The traffic light, yeah? Traffic light is going right. Thank you. Beautiful.
Keep right, then turn right. Turn right.
Sorry.
It's okay. So what could you have done differently here, Donna? What could you have done differently when you see the light is got amber?
Stopped. Braked sooner.
Yeah, brake earlier, yeah?
Yeah.
Good, yeah.
Much
Okay.
sooner.
That's right, okay. So what are you gonna do next time? When you see
Brake
the amber light?
sooner.
Brake sooner. Can I leave you responsible?
Yep, you can.
Good.
After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout, second exit. Go right on the roundabout, second exit.
Signal, what do you need to do?
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
Do I have to do a signal here? I just want
We're going
over,
ahead
aren't we?
second
Yeah.
exit, yes? We're going ahead second
Yeah, that's
exit.
what I thought. It's a little brain fart, sorry.
So if we are going ahead second exit, yes?
Yep.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
So if we're going ahead second exit, yes?
Mhm.
If you signal left or right, what's that mean?
I'm going
Left or
first.
right?
Yeah,
Correct.
left or right, yeah.
Good. But if you're going ahead,
No signal.
that's right, thank you. Okay, that's well done. Good, that's better, yes? Beautiful.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, third exit.
Okay, so what's the sat nav said, Donna? What the sat nav said?
Straight over.
Listen carefully, okay? Listen carefully again, okay?
Yep.
It's not straight over.
Oh, is it not?
No, it's third exit to the right, yeah? Exit number 3 to the right, okay?
Right, okay.
So what do we need to do?
Cross the roundabout, third exit.
Yes, good, thank you.
I got to do.
Third exit, yes, continue, keep going.
I'm
Third,
getting confused now.
third exit to the right, okay?
Yeah. There's one.
That's good, continue. That's 2. And what you need to do now? Left side, left side, that's good here. That's good. Okay.
That was straight over, wasn't it?
No, right, you turn right.
Oh.
The first exit is home base. Second exit is straight over is A10. Third exit to the right is here.
Right, okay.
Yeah. And what the sat nav says to you at that time? What the sat nav say?
So third
Exit.
exit.
Thank you.
So
Yeah.
third exit, yeah.
Yeah. So what's third exit mean? Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
After 200 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit. Cross the roundabout, second exit.
there.
Yes.
I don't know.
Okay. So when you see the Amazon pulling out, yes?
Yeah.
So we check our mirrors and
Oh yeah.
gradually braking early, yes? So we don't want to leave it too late, yeah?
After 300 yards,
I didn't know
cross
whether
the
to pull out or
roundabout,
not, to be
first
fair.
exit.
Yeah. So if you don't know, what could you do? Anticipate.
Just slow down anyways.
Yes, yeah. Anything you're not sure, just plan.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going at a roundabout ahead. Okay. So what do we need to do in that approach?
Slow down.
That's right. If you're
And
not
then
sure,
Cross the roundabout, first exit.
Have a look, see if anyone's coming. No.
that's it. Yeah. See, nice and smooth. Yeah. Your driving's a lot smoother. So, okay. So now that's the end of independent driving. I will give you direction from now on. Okay.
After
Okay.
200 yards, go right on the roundabout, second exit.
Okay, just ahead the second exit, okay?
Yeah.
Ignore the side nav. So that's the end of independent driving. So ahead second exit, please, thank you. Straight over second
Yeah.
exit, yeah? Thank you. Beautiful, good. Good lane choice, well done, safe. Perfect. Beautiful, thank you. The left hand side just after that car, can you see that there's a gap there? Can you see that? Yeah. There's a gap there. Just pull onto there, please, and I'll just give you feedback about the sat nav driving. Okay, just coming in and straighten a little bit forward a bit more and then stop here. That's good. You're driving, analyze your driving. So we start from Enfield Test Center.
Yeah.
And we came to Cheshunt, correct?
Yeah.
So analyze your driving. How is it?
Coming in, it was okay. Coming into Waltham Cross, I went too fast. Didn't slow down quick enough. Coming on the traffic, going up to traffic lights.
Okay.
Messed up for the roundabout going back.
Which part of it? The little roundabout or
the big roundabout, and I didn't press right. Was it? No.
Yes.
Yes, I didn't indicate.
Okay, so that's with the last roundabout. That was
Yeah.
the third exit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So why do you think you didn't signal right on the home base roundabout?
Because I thought it was straight over, but it wasn't. It was a third exit, which meant it was right.
What the sat nav said to you?
It said third exit on the right.
That's right.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. So, right. So if you're not sure, let's say if the sat nav says to you or the examiner says to you, yeah?
Yeah.
Third exit to the right. And before you approach to the roundabout, correct?
Mm-hmm.
What could you have done differently to help you out? So let's say you're approaching the roundabout, the sat nav repeated twice, third exit to the right, correct?
Yeah. I should have first of all looked to see where it was on the signs.
Yes, yeah.
And listen more
Right.
to the sat nav. Yeah.
Correct. So let's say you didn't listen, so you should have listened.
Yeah, I should have.
Then after that, if you're not sure the roundabout is approaching, things happening quickly now,
Yeah.
right? What could you have done to put yourself out of the problem?
Slow down.
Good. What else? Slow down, yes. What else could you have done? Is the examiner next to you, yes? What could you have done to help you out? Yes.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Yes?
Yeah,
Because
ask.
you're allowed to ask. You could say,
Ask questions, yeah.
yes, you could say, excuse me, could you repeat the sat-nav for me? Or could you tell me where we're going?
Sometimes you don't want to ask because you feel like you're judged and that.
No, you're allowed. You're allowed. This is the thing. This is the problem when people fail the driving test because they don't ask questions. So in the beginning of the test, the examiner says to you, I would like you to follow the road ahead at all times unless the signs, the road markings direct you otherwise. If I want you to go left or right, I will give you direction in a good time. At any time you're not sure, please do ask me, I can help you. Correct?
Correct.
So what's that mean? Can help
Ask,
you?
yeah.
Yes. Yeah? Good, okay.